Wilderness Films India is a 33-year-old public limited media company with 100 freelance and full-time crew and team members and over 150,000 hours of content. WildFilms India is now looking to create South Asia's first indigenous OTT platform with ancillary retail and travel offerings. Based on the feedback of our viewers, we're constantly on the go when heading to the field. Our needs were diverse, ranging from tea, sugar and Maggi noodles for our crew and porters on Himalayan expeditions, right up to more complex equipment requirements such as 360 cameras. We often need quick deliveries in remote locations across the country. So we were in need of a sourcing platform equipped to handle our diverse and sometimes very ad hoc needs and reach across the country. Our search for such a platform ended when we found Amazon Business. Our team now requisitions purchases after checking equipment and accessories online. We have daily deliveries from Amazon at various locations. If a product is deficient in some way or not sold as represented, we know Amazon Business has us covered. The easy returns make us feel totally reassured. Amazon Business brings everything onto one GST compliant platform where there is answerability and reliability in equal measure. This takes the risk out of buying for the buyer and makes the whole purchasing process not just risk-free, but even a pleasure. Amazon Business has been a great experience for Wilderness Films India. We have virtually no complaints. We are now here for good with Amazon Business.